Hey there, are you trying to figure out how to fix Cash App unable to sign in on this device? You're not alone. Many users experience issues when trying to sign in on their devices, and it can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll provide a clear, step-by-step solution to help you regain access to your Cash App account without breaking a sweat. Step 1. Verify your internet connection. First things first, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Cash App requires a solid connection to function properly. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, try refreshing the connection. For Wi-Fi users, turn off the Wi-Fi on your device and then turn it back on. Alternatively, try restarting your router. For mobile data users, toggle the mobile data off and then back on, or switch to Wi-Fi if available. Once your connection is stable, attempt to sign in again. Step 2. Check for app updates. Outdated app versions can lead to various glitches, including sign-in issues. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the Cash App. On iOS, open the App Store, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and scroll to see if Cash App has any pending update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, tap on the profile icon, and select Manage Apps and Device to check for updates. Installing the latest update might resolve any compatibility problems causing the sign-in error. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing cache and data can effectively troubleshoot app-related issues. Here's how. On iOS. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't allow direct clearing of cache. You may need to delete and reinstall the app. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, Cash App, store it, then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. After clearing cache and data, restart the app and try signing in again. Step 4. Check device compatibility. Ensure your device is compatible with Cash App. The app supports the following: iOS devices running iOS 12.0 or later, Android devices running Android 6.0 or later. If your device's operating system is outdated, consider updating it to meet Cash App's requirements. Step 5. Use correct login detail. Double check that you are using the correct login credentials, typically your phone number or email linked to your Cash App account. Reset your password if necessary by tapping Forgot Password on the sign-in screen and following the prompts. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If you're still facing issues, reach out to Cash App support. Access the help section within the app or visit their website for additional assistance. 1. Open Cash App. 2. Tap on your profile icon. 3. Scroll down and select Cash Support. 4. Choose something else and navigate to your issue. 5. Follow the prompts to get in contact with a support representative. Dealing with sign-in issues on Cash App can be a hassle, but by following these steps on how to fix Cash App unable to sign in on this device, you'll likely resolve the problems. Remember to ensure a stable internet connection. Keep your app updated, clear cache, check compatibility, use the right login details, and don't hesitate to reach out to support if all else fails. Once back on track, you'll be able to continue managing your finances with confidence and ease. Happy transacting.